Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Kia Niro hybrid. First, gather your jumper cables and a reliable vehicle with a charged battery. Next, locate the 12-volt battery in your Kia Niro, which is typically found in the trunk under a cover. Before connecting anything, make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brake engaged for safety. This preparation is crucial for a successful jumpstart. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Kia Niro's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. This sequence helps prevent sparks and ensures a safe connection. For the final connection, take the remaining black negative clamp and attach it to an unpainted metal surface on your Kia Niro's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Once all cables are secure, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your Niro's battery slightly. After this, you can try starting your Kia Niro hybrid. If your Kia Niro starts, congratulations! Carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First the negative clamps, then the positive clamps. Drive your hybrid for at least 20 minutes to allow the battery to fully recharge. If it doesn't start, you might need professional assistance. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.